Adult Solutions. Add-on desires.
Hi children, welcome to Adult Solution. My name is Damodar. I am your maths teacher. Today I am going to teach you second class mathematics length of things. Length of things. This is the 13th lesson, children. Let's go to the lesson. Look at the picture. Look at the pictures. See children, look at this picture. The qubit is an ancient unit of length based on the distance from the elbow to the middle finger. See children, the qubit is an ancient unit. Ancient mean oldest, very oldest, of length based on the distance from the elbow. This is the measure of for this unit is measure of length. Okay, measure of length. See children, elbow means this is the elbow. Tip of the elbow from tip of the middle finger. Okay, middle finger. Distance from middle finger to elbow, this is called the qubit. Okay. See children, look at this picture. A span, okay, is the distance measured by a human hand from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger. Tip of the little finger to tip of the thumb. This is the span, hand span. Okay, this is the qubit. Okay, this is the qubit. This is the hand span. Okay, let's go to the lesson. See children, look at the pictures. There are 6 pictures. How is the length of the table measured? See children, this boy is measuring this table. Okay, these boys are measuring this table. So how to length? Okay, we know that. What is that? Hand span. Okay, hand span. The answer is hand span here. Hand span. See children, the children are measuring this table hand span. Okay, how is the distance between the marble measured? See children, these boys are playing with marbles. Distance between two marbles, how to measuring? See, 4 fingers width. Okay, these boys are measuring two marbles. Okay, between length of 2 marbles, measuring with 4 fingers width. 4 fingers width. Okay, next. How is the length of garland of flowers measured? See children, what is this? Qubit. Okay, qubit. Okay, garland of flowers, how to measuring? Qubit. Okay, how is the length of the thread measured? Okay, hand. That means feet. Okay, Next, how is the distance measured in picture 5? Picture 5. See children, this game is called Gil Danda. Gilli Danda. Gilli Danda. Gilli means small piece of wooden. Okay. Danda means bigger piece of wooden. Okay. How is the distance measured in picture 5? Okay, with danda. Okay. Next, how is the length of the room measured? How is the length of the room measured? Okay, with foot. So how is the length of the room measured? Feet. Okay children, let's go to the next page. Measure and write. See children, this is the table length of the fingers. Length of the fingers. Fingers means 4 fingers width. There are 12 fingers. See children, this is the table name of the people. Okay, name of the people. Next, table. This is the one table. This is the one table. This table is taken me, okay, for using measures. Okay. Name of the people. For example, Dikshita. Length of the 4 fingers width. 4 fingers width. See children, length of the 4 fingers width 12. With using Dikshita 4 fingers, the length is here to here. Length of the 4 fingers width 4. Okay, 12. 4 fingers width. Dikshita using her 4 fingers width for here to here, measuring 12 4 fingers are width. Okay, 12 4 fingers are width. Next, length of hand span. Dikshita hand span 5. There are 5. Okay, there are 5. Cubit. We know that cubit. Elbow to middle tip of the middle finger. Okay, 2.5. Okay. Similarly, we measured. See children. Similarly, you will take some things in your house or at your school. Similarly measured using 4 fingers method and 4 fingers width. Next, length of hand span and cubit. Okay, similarly fill the all boxes like this. Okay, let's go to the next problem. Estimate first and then measured and say. See children, I taken this table, a table. Okay, estimation of length of using cubit. I estimated this table length is 2. Okay, 2. Estimating of length of use 2 cubits. So this is the estimation of length, but actual length after measuring with cubit, okay, with cubit, the real measure, see 2.5. Similarly fill the blackboard in your school and length of the classroom and length of the table also, okay, are available you. Let's go to the next problem. Okay children, this lesson is completed. This is the length of the things. Okay, I will meet you next class. Bye.
Add-on solutions. Add-on